Character of Christmas.
But its interiors inspired by location materials, capturing the essence of urban, rustic, and Aurora aesthetic. So we have 3 booths here, which is Noel Aurora, Urban Cosmopolitan, and Rustic Soiree. Our first booth for today is Urban Cosmopolitan, which will be led by Sheldon Balagbat, Megan Canosa, and
Yan, Urban. What's your inspiration doing the Urban Cosmopolitan?
For our Urban Cosmopolitan then, but it's the usual like trendy interior style. So to give it a new twist, we wanted to infuse it with geometric patterns, like specifically origami. And then another twist we did was to make it masculine. To give us a challenge.
Kanina feminine, ngayon kayo masculine.
Yes.
Kala.
Just to show you where it all started. As you can see, this tree is the main inspiration for everything you see around here. So we wanted to do something new for the Christmas trees. And so with that, we came up with this, and then we actually turned it to red and made it into a real life-size tree. And then to stay true with the origami elements, we partnered with, worked hand in hand with Origami Philippines. So as you can see, the ornaments here, they're all made out of paper, even the wreath.
But the is plastic, right?
This one's acrylic.
Acrylic, yeah.
Yes. The Funko Pop. Yes. And so with that, this den works both as a workspace and also an entertainment area. So it's very personal for the male narrative, and then it also includes the city life. So,
how about your sofa? Is that customized?
Yes, it's also customized.
Ganda.
Yes. So with the sofa naman and the other furniture, so as you can see, very sleek yung lines and very sharp yung edges. So to give it a bit of balance, we chose this types of furniture to bring softness then to the space. And then we also incorporated a bit of artworks, and then like this one, which is actually made by my dad just specifically for this exhibit.
Really? The cabinet?
The cabinet. We also designed this. It's also customized.
Galing. Nag-complement siya sa ceiling and the wall.
Even the vinyl record player.
This one?
Yes.
We have it at home.
Wow, kakaiba siya.
Yes,
nag-complement din sa
It's a very sharp nga yung edges, so give it a bit of balance. Very soft edges also. And then, what else? As you can see, the walls then, all of them, they have the geometric edges, which really aligns with our origami inspiration. And then, as you can see, all of the furniture and all the woodworks, they're all very dark. Just except for this accent wall of this.
Para nag-complement naman sila.
To really highlight this accent wall because we really worked hard for it. And then just for the exhibit purposes, this edges, they actually can be turned into storage, like yung push buttons. But for exhibit purposes, like we just did this one na lang.
Pero pwedeng galing
practicality din.
And just to add po, since
doon ka para makita ka na.
And just to add po, since our main concept is origami, you can notice na yung accent wall namin up to the ceiling, para din siya inspired ng folded paper. So we just turned na gawin siyang accent para din mas maging cohesive yung concept namin na origami and geometric shapes.
And just to add, with the tie it up with the Urban Cosmopolitan narrative, in the front wall, as you can see, diba, very sleek yung lines, which is common for the Urban Cosmopolitan. Pero once you look at it from this view, then yun na makikita yung depth. Yeah, and depth. So that's the mix with the geometric.
Pinahirapan niyo yung architect niyo dyan, ha? Ang hirap niyan gawin, ha?
Really wanted the challenge.
What was for you the biggest challenge? Kasi nga, even the ceiling.
Parang
really
hirap.
Unique, no?
Actually, for me and for I can go pero yung main siguro naging challenge namin is since we decided na gawin siyang like a masculine from a masculine perspective, since all
Because you were
girls
females.
so parang in-incorporate namin like ano ba yung like
Gusto ng mga boyfriend namin.
brothers. Yeah, when we were shopping then sa decors, I asked my dad and my brothers, like, if you're gonna live with this in this space, ano kaya mga decors na kailangan or gusto nyo? Tapos parang they were mentioning na flowers. Parang hindi ako masyadong magpa-flowers. So I think yun po yung biggest challenge since we're all girls.
Pero bakit masculine? Why not feminine since you're all girls?
Wanted a challenge.
That's it.
Yeah, so we took it to ourselves na we're not just for the feminine side. We wanted to bring up the masculine.
Okay.
And we hope na, as you can see, we achieved.
You achieve it. Congrats. 1, 2, 3.
For Gallery 4, it's Noel Aurora, which will be led by Shina Rao, Joy Stan, Jen Kima, and Kit Darlene. I'm so sorry.
Yan. Noel Aurora. Why Noel Aurora?
Noel Aurora because we are inspired with the winters of Iceland.
Oh.
Usually, diba, for this gallery, it's the character. So for us, we want to have that slow snowfall morning. So where it's calm, soft, all white.
White Christmas, ha?
Yes. So we believe that morning is it's soft, pati yung mga curves niya, if you can see,
Exactly.
will mimic yung landscape ng Iceland with under the snow. So that's what we want to mimic. And even our crystal blocks, parang siyang frozen waterfall.
Yes.
So,
Pero wala namang water dyan.
wala naman po.
Pero pwede din, no?
Frozen lang siya. Yes. And if you can see, we have, if you look up, may fiber optic lights tayo. Which mimics yung, yung concept ng stars. Na even morning, di ba, nandun sila. But hindi lang sila na feature kasi maliwanag. But this is Noel Aurora in the morning. And we have also feature na how Noel Aurora at night.
Nice,
Aurora Borealis.
Oo.
Okay.
I like it. So, nag-iiba-iba yung kulay niya. Pati yung wall niya nag-aano. Yung Christmas tree niya is made from...
This is customized and Kian will discuss because she made it.
Paper?
It's not paper, but parang siyang manipis na klase ng foam na what we did here was we cut it individually ng leaf shape and then lower namin siya para mag-curl. So that's how we achieve this effect. And then of course, we lighted it from sa loob para nag-diffuse yung light and then to have this glowing effect. Yeah.
We opted for White Christmas because this is our interpretation of Christmas. That's, in the season, hindi lang siya for December, but for the whole year round. It should be like white kasi even the environment changes, it should be a blank canvas wherein it reflects yung light, it reflects the environment, it should manifest peace, calmness, and unity in every season. So for the whole year round siya talaga.
So yung light niya is ginawa niyo computerized na, nakakonect sa...
Yes, we would like also to thank our sponsor with Assis because all
Galing,
the lights talaga, they're the ones who have the RGB na natitimpla siya. Hindi siya yung the usual na once you install it, okay na. So namimik talaga natin yung lights ng Aurora Borealis.
You can have varieties of
Preset.
Para ka na rin nakarating ng Aurora Borealis.
Yes.
Nice na.
Northern Lights.
That's the concept, sir.
Congratulations! Ang ganda!
Here po. This is the last gallery, this is the last booth for Gallery 4, which is Rustic Soiree. To be led by Gabby, Andrea, Jazel, and Jim.
Okay, what's your inspiration?
Welcome to Rustic Soiree, which is a French provincial Christmas in Baguio's Misty Highlands. So what we wanted is as soon as you step into or through our stone archway, you're also stepping into a memory
a quiet Christmas after Simbang Gabi. And as you open the door, there's a candlelight, glowing candlelight dinner table, waiting to welcome you. You can go inside.
It's that hand paint or
That is wallpaper.
wallpaper?
From Memory.
How about the inspiration of your Christmas tree?
For the inspiration.
Ito ka na lang pa, ma'am.
For the inspiration of our Christmas tree, as you can see from the mantle, it follows all the way to the ceiling and all the way to the brightest part of the room. So we wanted to have like a flow of an organic feeling of like a warm, inviting home, like a natural, like a tree flowing down. You know, like willow trees, parang ganun. But instead we use amaranthus for our ceiling. That's red. It's to symbolize a romantic and like a beading love. And then, so we wanted to have that romantic feel also. So from the fireplace to the ceiling and to the Christmas tree, it's all connected. It's all organic and it all flows.
I noticed na parang the other side, parang you use chairs na parang sa this one, like,
It's a bench. Yes.
It's inspired by the Last Supper.
okay.
So we wanted to incorporate Christmassy
Yes.
Yes.
And we wanted to have like different seatings as well. For example, we have different cabeceras and different seating at the other side and then the over here. So another thing that it can also be functional for the bench. For example, you have more guests. You can have more people to come in. For example, you can add more plates and other people in the seating.
And it actually makes it more inviting rather than a very formal seating that's just limited. This one makes it more parang, okay, we have more guests, parang hindi kailangan na hiwa-hiwalay, mas dikit-dikit, mas very homely.
Nice, congratulations.
Thank you.